Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This video presents the recipe for a healthy and a delicious mixed fruit salad. It can be served as a snack or a dessert or even as a small portion of meal. It is a good option for breaking fast and also a healthy choice for those on intermittent fasting. So now let's get to the preparation of it in simple steps. Into a bowl, take some chia seeds. Pour in water and keep to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, here we have the well-soaked chia seeds which has a gel-like texture. Let's keep it aside and proceed to the next step. Here we're going to prepare the sago rice. Heat a saucepan at medium flame. Let's add water. Then we're going to add the sago rice. Bring it to boil. And cook for about 10 minutes or till it becomes soft. Once done, off the flame and keep to cool. Here I'm going to add some water. This helps to remove the starchiness from the sago rice. Now let's filter the contents. And the cooked sago rice is ready for use. Let's keep it aside and proceed to the next step. Here we're going to cook the vermicelli in milk. So take a saucepan, add milk to it, and bring to boil. Now we're going to add the roasted vermicelli. Mix in and keep stirring to remove the lumps. Cook them for about 10 minutes or till it's well done. Keep stirring in between. Once done, let's off the flame and keep to cool. And now it's time to assemble the salad. I'm taking a ripe mango, peel and cut to small pieces. And then we're going to mash it smooth and make a puree. So now it's time to add the other ingredients. First, let's add the cooked sago rice. Then the chia seeds. Then we're going to add milk with the cooked vermicelli. Give a quick mix. And now it's time to add the fruits. You may choose any seasonal fruits of your choice. Here I'm going to add small pieces of apple, kiwi, and pear. Give a quick mix and combine well. For an additional flavor, I am also adding some vanilla essence. Then let's add some chopped almonds, roasted pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. These are good sources of healthy fats. This salad is a good combination of healthy proteins, healthy fats, and good carbs. And our delicious and healthy fruit salad is ready to serve. You may also refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours and then serve it chilled. Have it as a healthy breakfast or during the snack time, or even as a small meal during fastings. Serve and enjoy. And do share with us your feedbacks. So, see you in our next video. And do take care and stay healthy.